Hi everyone! Have you ever think about this question before? If we start to deposit a fixed amount of money to our bank account every month start from now, what will be the total amount of money that we will get after 10 years? Can you count it? Actually, this is an example for arithmetic series. An arithmetic series is a sequence of numbers, with the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. Here is a summary of the formula that we will use to solve the questions about arithmetic series. First, we can find common difference d by minus n terms with n minus 1 terms. Next, to find a specific terms in an arithmetic series, the formula n terms is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d, where our a is the first term in the series. In order to sum out the n terms of an arithmetic series, we can use the formula Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. Lastly, the relationship between n terms and sum of the n terms is n terms is equal to sum of the n terms minus sum of the n terms minus 1. So now let us see an example questions for arithmetic series. The first term of an arithmetic series is a, and the common difference is d. If the sum of first three terms of the series is 15, and the product of first two terms is 10, find a and d. Hence, find the sum of the first 8 terms of the series. First of all, we need to know that what the question is asking for. In this case, the question is asking us to find out a, the first term, d, the common difference, and also the sum of the first 8 terms of the series. From the question, the information that we can get is sum of first 3 terms is 15, and t1 multiplied with t2 is equal to 10. First, we know that the formula of the sum of n terms in the arithmetic series is Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d. So our n is equal to 3, and we know that our sum of first 3 terms is equal to 15. Substitute the value into the formula, and we will get 3 over 2 multiplied with 2a plus 3 minus 1 multiplied with d equal to 15. 2a plus 3 minus 1 equal to 2d. Move the 3 over 2 to the other side and become 15 multiplied with 2 over 3. Press the calculator and we will get 10. In order to simplify it, we will divide the whole equation with 2. Last, we will get a plus d equal to 5 as our first equation. Next, we need to find out our t2 first, before we proceed to the next step. By using the formula Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d, our t2 is equal to a plus 2 minus 1 multiplied with d. 2 minus 1, we will get 1d. So, our t2 equation is equal to a plus d. From the question, we know that the product of the first 2 terms is 10. Our t1 is a, and substitute the t2 equation that we get just now in it, and we will get a multiplied with a plus d is equal to 10 as our second equation. As we can clearly see that our first equation is able to substitute into the second equation. So, we will move A or D to the other side to make it easier. Substitute the first equation into the second equation. So, it will be A multiplied with 5 is equal to 10. Move the 5 to the other side and become 10 over 5. So lastly, we will get our answer as A equal to 2. Substitute A equal to 2 into the first equations. 2 plus D is equal to 5. Move the 2 to the other side and become 5 minus 2. Last, the final answer for D will be equal to 3. So now, we have already answered the questions halfway. The last requirement for the question is to find out the sum of the first 8 terms. By using the formula Sn is equal to n over 2 multiplied with 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied with d, where our n is equal to 8. So substitute the value into the equation. 8 over 2, our a is equal to 2, plus 8 minus 1, where our d is equal to 3. Press the calculator and we will manage to get 100. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.